Hello again, grade 7s. Welcome to my lab, also known as my dining room. Today, if there's one thing that I want you to take away from today's lesson, it's the difference between heterogeneous mixtures and homogeneous mixtures. What is the difference? Well, heterogeneous mixtures are mixtures that are unevenly mixed, and you can actually see the different particles in that mixture. So this is an example of a heterogeneous mixture. It is two solids mixed together, but you can clearly see there's marbles mixed with rice. Not good for eating. They're not cooked rice either. But that is a heterogeneous mixture. The next one, it's two liquids mixed together. This is water and food coloring. They're mixed together, but it's evenly distributed. That means that this is a homogeneous mixture. You can't, no matter how close you look, you won't be able to pick out which parts are water and which parts are the food coloring. It's mixed so well, your eye can't tell the difference. It's all evenly mixed. That's a homogeneous mixture. Next, this one might look like an empty cup, and well, it kind of is. It's full of just the air around us that we breathe. It's a gas and a gas mixture, because the air that we breathe isn't just oxygen. It's not pure oxygen. It's a little bit of oxygen and about, like, I think it's 20% oxygen and 70% nitrogen and a little bit of carbon dioxide, things like that. So that's a gas and gas mixture. It's, again, a homogeneous mixture because you can't pick apart the different particles. It's evenly mixed. This is going to be a gas and a solid mixture. I wanted you to see me play with matches. So I don't recommend you do this at home unless you are supervised by an adult. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to light, if I can. Ow! That was not my fault. I am a trained professional, and this thing just burnt my finger. We'll try that again. The red part came off on my finger instead of lighting the wood like it's supposed to. It tried to light my finger on fire. Okay, come on, you can do it. Okay, so I'm lighting it on fire. I'm gonna put it inside here and let it burn in there until it goes out. And now you can see there's smoke in there. Now, that smoke, although it looks like a gas, it is actually a solid that is mixed in with the air inside here. So it is now a homogeneous mixture. You can't pick apart the different particles because the smoke particles are so tiny, but they are solids. They're so tiny, they're mixed in evenly with the air, and you can't tell the difference. You can't pick out one particle from the next. All right, next up, this is a liquid and a solid, okay? This is a heterogeneous mixture because you can clearly pick out the sand particles which have sunk to the bottom and the water that it's mixed into. And even if I mixed them up, even if I had my stir stick, I couldn't stir it up and I couldn't dissolve them in the water. And then lastly, whew, did you hear that? That was the carbon dioxide escaping, and you can see it bubbling out. This is a gas and liquid mixture. There's H2O, water molecules. Oh, thank you, my lovely assistant has brought me a stir stick just to show you that even if I stir up this sand, it might start looking homogeneous, but you give it enough time and actually it sinks right away, right to the bottom. Okay. This one, you can see the bubbles. There's gas dissolved in this liquid. So this is a gas and liquid mixture, and it is a homogeneous mixture. You can't, well, maybe it is heterogeneous. I would say it's heterogeneous. You can tell because you can look and see those gas bubbles. You can see that it's not one substance, but it's a couple different ones. Yeah, so this is also delicious. You shouldn't normally drink your science experiments. They're not always safe, but in this case, I just put this in my in my soda stream and made it myself. So actually my lovely assistant did. She was very helpful today. Thanks, Kaya.
You're welcome.
Okay, so your job is going to be to go to Google Form and put in your own words what is a homogeneous or homogeneous mixture and what is a heterogeneous mixture. Thank you very much for watching.